Good morning. Welcome to grade 3 English class. Topic: Punctuation marks. Starter activity: identify the types of sentences. Number 1, is this your jacket? Number 2, how fast you ran? Number 3, the sky is blue. And your options are statement, question, and exclamatory. The first sentence is a question, second is exclamatory, and the third sentence is a statement. Punctuation marks. Punctuation mark is a mark such as a full stop, comma, or question mark used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to clarify meaning. Punctuation marks are period, question mark, comma, and exclamation mark. What is a comma? She is your sister, isn't she? The comma marks the shortest pause. It is used to mark a pause in a sentence or to separate a list. Example: I took pencils, comma, crayons, comma, print, and paper with me. Full stop. Number 2, she is smart, comma, intelligent, comma, honest, and devoted. Full stop. The exclamation mark, sit down. The exclamation mark is used to show a strong feeling. Example: what a surprise. Number 2, how beautiful she is. Period or full stop. My name is Beth and I was 18 in July. Full stop. It is used to mark the end of a sentence. Example: there is no place like home. Full stop. Question mark, where are you from? It is used to end an interrogative sentence. Questioning. Example: are you done? May I have your attention, please? Activity 1. Choose the correct punctuation. Number 1, who was that? Number 2, where were you yesterday? Number 3, come back. Number 4, the field was full of fireflies. And the first sentence is a question mark. Second sentence is a question mark. Third one is an exclamation. And the fourth one is a period or full stop. Capital letters to begin a sentence. Example: she loves to write stories. Or to begin a quote. For example, they said, school must remain closed on this occasion. Activity 2. Rewrite the following sentences with capital letters and punctuation marks. Number 1, birds use their wings to fly. Number 2, where is my blue coat? And the right answer is birds use their wings to fly, full stop. And where is my blue coat? A question mark. Speech marks. We use speech marks to show what someone is saying. Example: help me, cried the girl. Number 2, always put punctuation inside the speech marks. How much? Asked the customer. I want that one, said Andy. Number 3, start new bits of speech on a new line. More examples. Welcome to my home, shouted the monster. I am very tired, whispered Alice. Activity 3, pick the correctly punctuated sentence. Option A, that was a great goal, explained the manager. Option B, school is fantastic, said year 5. Option C, I love cheese, said Bethany excitedly. And the correctly punctuated sentence is option C. Assessment. Write true or false. Number 1, comma is used to mark a pause in a sentence or to separate a list. Number 2, the question mark is used to show strong feelings. First statement is true and second statement is false. Add missing punctuation marks. Number 1, insects have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Number 2, how long is forever? Asked Alice. And a comma is missing in the first sentence, and speech marks are added to the second sentence. Well done, children. Thank you and have a nice day.